Before we get started, don't forget to check out the link in the description below to purchase your very own custom neon sign. Now, have you ever pondered how personalized wedding signs can bring a unique twist to your big day? Let's paint a picture. John and Sarah, a couple brimming with love, are curating their dream wedding. Aiming for something distinct, something that would make their nuptials unforgettable, they turn to Etsy, a vast expanse of creativity and impeccable craftsmanship. Here, they chanced upon a custom neon sign, customizable according to their preference. This chosen sign was not just another piece of decoration, but a representation of their togetherness. Created from lasting LED lighting, they tailored it with their names intertwined, opting for a font and color that mirrored their personalities. Wasn't a regular neon sign, it was their neon sign, a luminous symbol of their love radiating brilliantly on their once-in-a-lifetime day. When the day arrived, the sign was there, glowing warmly above the altar. It was a hit. Their guests were charmed by the unique touch, the way it added a personal and modern twist to their ceremony. John and Sarah's wedding was not only a celebration of their love but also a testament to their creativity and individuality. So, what's the takeaway from John and Sarah's story? Well, firstly, personalized wedding signs can add a unique personal touch to your ceremony. They can reflect your personality and make your special day stand out. Secondly, platforms like Etsy are fantastic places to find these unique items. With a plethora of crafters and artists, you're sure to find something that suits your taste. And finally, don't be afraid to be creative and think outside the box when planning your wedding. After all, it's your day, make it shine. Remember, when it comes to weddings, it's all in the details. Those unique, personalized touches are what make your day truly yours. So why not consider a personalized wedding sign for your big day? Just like John and Sarah, you might find that it adds that extra sparkle to your celebration. And there you have it, folks. If you're inspired by John and Sarah's story and want to add a unique touch to your wedding, then it's time to take action. Don't just dream about your perfect day, make it happen. Check out the link we've provided in the description below to get your own custom neon sign. It's time to make your day shine and create unforgettable memories. What are you waiting for? Your perfect wedding sign is just a click away. After all, it's those small, personalized touches that make your day truly special. So go ahead, add that extra sparkle to your celebration, just like John and Sarah did. Your wedding day is a reflection of you and your partner, so make it as unique and special as your love story.